What you got? What you got here, Ryan?
This is this interesting looking bow.
That means 6S. That's what that means.
You hear all the beeps?
You hear all them 6 beeps? Whoa. This thing is gigantic.
What happened?
Watch out, I'm trying to get a video of this. Oh my god. Hey, don't waste all your battery because we got a race.
I only have the 2. What are you racing?
So don't use it up.
I can't fault me for you being late.
Ryan, wait!
Okay, I didn't even go half throttle yet.
You got a Punisher sticker on that?
Yeah, it came with the boat.
All right, let's do it.
You ready?
Yeah. It sounds like a real boat. Dude!
That wasn't even full. Oh man.
I can't see real far with this camera, so. Wow.
Got some go.
No doubt.
Let me bring it by.
I gotta get the gimbal to keep up with you. I want to watch your boat. It's smooth too.
So far.
Wow. Oh, look at that turning though, dude. That was, whoa, I lost you. Wow. As much as I want to record, I just want to watch it.
I know.
Don't hit the dock.
Ta-da.
Dude. That right there, folks, is the Traxxas M41. Right, Ryan?
Heavy upgrades.
Yeah.
You got some go.
Wow. All right, let's get some more boats in the water. Okay, so this is a 4S Vector 80 from Amazon. It's about half the price of Ryan's boat. We're gonna race.
I want to see how Damn. Jeez, Matt.
It's fast, bro.
Fast.
See it lean though with that weight from the battery?
Yeah.
Hey BJ. Oh no.
How's it going for you?
It's really fast.
It's going fast. Oh yeah, that's Ryan. We'll put this right here.
Who's with you?
Oh, you got the tugger. Yeah.
Hendrick aims for the buoys and the thing's sticking up.
This thing's definitely more squirrely and bouncy than yours, Ryan.
Hey, notice, this one is...
This thing just comes up on the water and gets.
I want to see this boat before you break it.
Dude, BJ, it's cool. He had it in already.
Oh, he has?
Yeah.
Never mind, man. I don't care then. Too fast!
That was not full throttle, DJ.
Show me.
It's so stable, dude. You can see it trying to keep itself straight.
What was it stable? I saw the prop. What does that
Not
mean?
supposed to see that. Suck these real quick. Let's make a rainbow.
Let's make a rainbow.
Of course.
How big are the batteries, Ryan?
Big.
I mean, like what milliamp?
Oh, it has the 4 numbers in the maw, but I don't know what they are. I forget. I'm too excited right now.
Is it like 5,000 or what?
I think at least 5.
Oh. Okay, hold on. Stay right there.
What are you doing?
We're gonna race you.
Race me?
Yeah. Turn
do you
it
wanna go
straight. I don't know. Just go straight for a minute at full speed. Hang on. Somebody. Well, when I coast up to you, we'll. Oh. Ready, set, go.
Oh, something happened.
Uh-oh. Yeah, I figured I shouldn't have jumped out on you like that. Hey, there's the green guy. That looks cool. It's scary, but it looks cool.
Look at the tongue!
Yeah. Oh no!
Kendrick. Ready you up.
It's tape though, so it shouldn't sink.
Let out of the water real quick. It's tape, so it should be fine, he says. You got a tugboat. Alright, here we go. Ready? Yep, let her down.
Oh! I hope I got that. That was sweet. Oh, awesome, JD.
When you said that, I'm like, what does that mean?
Did you buy that or build it?
I bought it off of Kevin and Combe.
That's awesome.
Little toot. Mine starts to lean because of that 4S battery.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it just starts tipping over. Tug's ready. Oh, sorry, didn't I? I almost got all of us.
I think so. Yep. Like I said, I got it.
My wing makes it easy.
There's an old Tug.
I did rescue one though. Thank God I still got it.
I wish I could zoom in on this rescue mission.
It's not working great.
Wait a minute. My hands are like I can manage it safely.
It's like a team effort.
Got it. Oh, I had it. I thought. I gave you 20 links.
She told me you were down.
Hey, Jerry. Jerry, can you just give my bow a little push off the wall? Thanks, man.
And batteries dead. They do not last.
Well, look how much juice you're pulling down. You got reverse? I don't got reverse.
Now it's stuck.
That thing's a trip.
Too bad, Gary! Too bad, buddy!
Do it again.
Do it again.
That was a good trick.
Don't lose my battery! Uh-oh. Things are breaking.
Things are breaking.
Closer to shore, Jerry!
Show that to Ben.
Yeah.
That's hilarious.
Wow.
Dude, it goes into like hyper mode.
Amazing. Bring
You
it
gotta
home.
pull in like that.
I'm trying!
Better start walking.
That is so cool.
This is the best
Oh, I went
thing.
down. Damn. I want to get it standing up.
It drained.
Oh, Jerry.
I want to get it standing up.
Well, I'm not. Yeah, let's see how much is in
Yeah,
it.
stand it up, BJ.
Careful, tugboat in the water.
Red shirt.
Red shirt.
Dumping out a gallon.
Oh. Jump my wake, Matt.
Okay.
Ah!
Thanks for letting me try out that
Nailed it. You got like a quarter inch.
I mean, scale feet, that was like 2.